Hey guys, welcome to my channel Nikhil Talks Tech. I'm Nikhil and I make amazing tech videos for you guys to watch as well as learn. So I started this YouTube channel because I wanted to show my love for tech and teach others how tech works and what tech is in a very fun way. In this channel, you'll mostly find tech that is related to PC building and also occasionally peripherals and monitors. You can also learn a lot about them in this channel. So guys, if you're into that kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel as it really helps support the channel and it also motivates me to keep making more better videos for you guys. That's it for this video guys. It's Nikhil signing off from Nikhil Talks Tech. Peace.